Hello everyone, welcome back to another amazing video. In this quick video, we are going to see how you can set the google.com as your default page on Microsoft Edge. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first of all, what I'll do is just go to the right hand corner which says these three dots, and I will click on the settings here, and then let's just select start home and new tabs. Now you can select this option, open these pages, and you can edit if any page is already set, or you can add a new page here, www.google.com. I'll set it here, click on add, and now I'll just close this and open the Edge browser again. And now you can see that Google is set as my default home page on Microsoft Edge. So that's it guys, hopefully it will help you, and I will see you in the next one.